Hypertext and hypermedia. One of the most rapidly changing and exciting areas of communication in the world today is the development of multimedia technologies, especially interactive multimedia programs that run on computer systems. These new technologies offer participants access to materials as never before. Multimedia is a woven combination of digitally manipulated text, photographs, graphic art, sound, animation and video elements. When you allow an end user or the viewer of a multimedia project to control the content and decide when they are to be delivered, it is called interactive multimedia. When you provide a structure of linked elements through which the user can navigate, interactive multimedia becomes hypermedia. Linear and non-linear media. A linear communication medium is the one we typically experience from beginning to the end in a logical order of demonstration. There is little or no choosing as we go. For example, cinema has a native linear structure. The structure is fixed and cannot be changed or modified by the viewer. In a world of print, novels are linear, but newspapers, magazines and encyclopedias are somewhat non-linear. They encourage a certain amount of jumping around, but web and other hypertextual media are strongly non-linear. Hypermedia. The term hypermedia refers to a host of digital technologies that enable the display of multimedia content in a non-linear configuration. Hypermedia is synonymous with another frequently used term, interactive multimedia. Interactive multimedia has been called hybrid technology as it combines the storage and retrieval capabilities of computer database technology with advanced tools for viewing and manipulating the content. Hypermedia is any package of materials that includes some combination of text, graphics, still images, animation, video and audio. These materials are packaged, integrated and linked together in some way that offers the users the ability to browse, navigate and analyze through various searching and indexing features. In interactive multimedia communication, the reader controls the experience of reading the material by being able to select one among multiple choices, choosing unique paths and sequences through the materials. Hypermedia have the capacity to annotate or personalize these materials. Hypertextuality gave impetus to the shift associated with media convergence and social media and the rise of user generated content, with users changing from audiences to participants, or the internet user who is both a user and a creator of online content. Interactive multimedia is reader centered as it enables the user to navigate through material in whatever ways it is most meaningful for individual users. In fact, the essence of hypertext and hypermedia is the choice, the freedom to decide what we will experience next. The Greek word hyper means beyond. Every word or text goes beyond the original word or text through various links, and the user generated content has come to imply that user interaction is a critical part of the design, whether for text browsing or for multimedia project as a whole. Hypertext is a feature of some computer programs that allows the user of electronic media to select a word from text and receive additional information pertaining to that word, such as a definition or related references within the text. In the article media in an electronic encyclopedia, for example, a hyperlink at the mention of the multimedia enables the reader to access the article on that topic merely by clicking on the words multimedia with a mouse click. The hypertext link is usually denoted by highlighting the relevant word or phrase in the text with a different font or color. Hypertextuality not only allows extensive cross-referencing between related sections of text, but also applies to associated graphic materials such as pictures, sounds or animated sequences. The term hypermedia, coined in 1963 by the American pioneer of information technology, Ted Nelson, is to describe text that is linked to other text, allowing the user to move between sections of text within the same page or between linked documents.